Hey, what's up, Ayush? What's the update today?
Hey Anshul, so the update is that Rubru has just turned 5 and it's been 5 amazing years of
Passion.
Discovery.
Explorations.
food.
Literature.
Learnings.
History.
Reflections.
Sharing.
Connection.
Culture.
Music.
Wanderings.
Arts.
Smile.
Community.
Joy.
Eureka moments.
Creativity.
Laughter. Heritage.
Banaras. And what an incredible year this 5th one has been. It kicked off on a super fun note with our very first team outing in the Himalayas. We restarted Rubaru House. History Lab with schools reached new engagement highs. We hosted several multi-day outings to different destinations, including the NASSCOM offsite. We launched 3 new chapters in Agra, Amritsar and Allahabad and were ready with 2 more in the Dehradun Valley and Himalayas. And just then, Corona struck. Like much of the world, Rubaru walks came to a standstill. An existential crisis seemed imminent as travel became off limits for the foreseeable future. However, we continued experimenting with new ideas to share stories, podcasts, digital stories, online art workshops, etc. And recently, we pivoted to a new concept to facilitate travel from the safety of homes, virtual tours. We'll just start walking. And yes, here we are. We have now reached Tulsi Ghat. This seems to be a very beautiful ghat. I wonder what its story would be. But before we discuss the story behind the name of Tulsi Ghat, there seem to be very interesting steps here. So let's see if we can climb them. Of course, these are very steep, but then, what do we care? We are in the virtual world. So all we need is a click of a button. And voila, here we are. We've reached at the top of the steps. So, let's see, let's turn around. And wow. A big thanks to you all for the wonderful response in the first couple of runs of our Varanasi virtual tour. We're really excited right now as we work on several new virtual tours covering more of our destinations. And the upcoming year seems to hold still more exhilaration as we all adapt our lives post-COVID. We would love to hear from you as to how you think travel would fit in with your revised lifestyles and what can we possibly do to continue bringing you the joy of discovery that is so inherent to travel. A special shout out to all the artists and storytellers out there. If you're watching this and would like to be a part of our community, please do get in touch. And finally, a big thank you to this entire world for continuing to create such amazing stories that we so love sharing. Thank you so much.